It's Sunday, May 12th, and it's moving day, so we have to move all this stuff. All this junk. This is what we have so far. And then we're gonna go get the moving truck. We got a dolly and a truck. Got our truck. I got some flowers. One for my mother and one for me. They're $10 each, so pretty cheap, pretty cheap. And I love how they look.
Mama,
let me see. Yeah, hold on. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. And then I'll get this one to my mom.
Mama.
Woohoo! Almost done. We got our pool pass wristbands. We got our two-car gate remotes. And we have our laundry card. Look at all that. And the keys to our place. And she's back there saying, te amo, te amo. There it is. Doorbell, peephole. Okay, so this is our apartment. Here's the front door. They put in new flooring, new countertops, new carpet, and we're the first people to have this paint color because everybody else has like a brown color. So this is where our living room is. And then we also have crown molding on the top, which is cool. I love the floors. This is the countertops right here. Which one's the light blue? Okay, so this is the countertops. We have the double sinks. We have a dishwasher, a bunch of cabinets, oven, stove, microwave. We just have to get a refrigerator. So it looks like this. Oh, I have a white kitchen. And then you go down the hallway here. We have a thermostat thing. We have more counter space here. Here is one bedroom, bathroom, one bedroom. So here would be my daughter's bedroom. And she has this big old closet to herself. Big old room to herself also. So it's kind of hard to have that. And I'll show you the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. Toilet. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So this would be where our laundry would go. And we have another storage cabinet here. But I don't think we're gonna use the laundry. I don't think we're gonna use buy laundry. I think we're gonna use the laundry they have here or at my mother's house. We're probably just gonna put more storage in here, like a dresser or something. And then this is gonna be our bedroom. We have the patio. We have this big old closet space here. And then our bathroom. So that is everything.
What do you want to think? I'm excited. New chapter, right? Good.
Now we have to go unload the car and then go pick up the U-Haul and unload everything else. So, yeah. I'll see you later.
More than enough men to finish the mission. Oh, you looking for Connor?